it's Jim Chapman with the Chapman's Paint Podcast, and we're going to do our Monday Minute today, and we're going to talk about caulking. If you've been to a paint store, you've noticed there's a wide array of caulks. So I just wanted to take a minute and just talk to everybody about what these particular caulks are used for. First, you'll see a product similar to this. It's a 35 or a 45 year caulk, like in this case. These are primarily good for caulking around sheetrock. When you join two pieces of sheetrock together on a wall, you want to run some caulk down it. These would be the perfect type of product for that. Now, if you're caulking something like crown molding, you really want to step it up. In this case, I've got a tube of Lighthouse products. We call it Infinity. And this is a caulk that has a little more elastomeric properties to it. So what it's going to do is it's going to move with that crown molding. When your house expands and contracts, the caulking will actually expand and contract with it. A little more expensive than this product here, but in a lot of cases definitely worth it. The last thing you want is your caulking to start popping everywhere around your crown molding, and then you've got to re-caulk it. So that's what this is. Now, if you have big gaps, bigger gaps than something that maybe you would caulk up crown molding with, we have a product, and most other paint stores do as well. In this case, it's called Pro Stretch. And what this is it's a caulk that actually stretches 800 times its normal size. So this is a perfect product for really, really big gaps. You just want to make sure that you get some Baccarat and you stuff those gaps first before you go caulk with this product. But this would be the product to use because it's going to fill that gap, and it's got plenty of elongation to it. When you have something that stretches 800 times its normal form, you don't have to worry about it popping. Of the three products, this would be the most expensive. This probably runs anywhere from $6 to $8 depending on the brand. This product here, you're looking at about $4, maybe $3.50 a tube. And these products here, you're looking at about a couple bucks a tube. Thanks for joining me during my Monday Minute, and we'll see you next time.